Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fayetteville Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. Long distance relocations call for careful planning. They are very complex because such relocations cover distances that are above 50 miles, and sometimes these relocations may cross state lines. If you do not plan a long distance relocation well, you might damage important items permanently, or worse still, lose some of your properties. Therefore, you need to bring in professionals to help you with the move. Reach out to 3 men and a truck so that we can assist you with your move. We have the necessary equipment to help you see your move through. We also boast exceptional movers who make it a point of duty to provide quality services to clients while keeping them, the clients, very comfortable during the period of the trip. We love to see our customers satisfied at the end of our business correspondence. Local relocations are usually less than 50 miles and are less complex than their long-distance counterpart. Our local moves charge ranges from $30 to $40, which is very affordable, especially if you consider the quality of service we will provide to you. We are also very familiar with the routes of Fayetteville, and it ensures that we can easily maneuver the roads and get to your location in no time. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fayetteville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.